to show what to do after you have the yellow cross. So I don't care about what any of these corner pieces are. I'm just looking to see that I have the yellow cross, which is what we did on page 12 in our guide. I'm now going to go ahead and look at the next page 13, which says we're going to orient the corners, which means we're going to put, we're going to have all of the yellow layer up here. And if you notice in this guide down here, it doesn't actually matter what any of these sides are. That's why these are gray. We don't really care about those. We just need this whole face to be yellow. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look and see which of these three cases do I have. We're looking at the corners. So here are my corner pieces, okay? You either have one corner that's yellow, no corners that are yellow, okay? So if none of these were yellow, or you have two corners that are yellow, okay? I have two corners that are yellow, so that means I have one of these cases. And it might not always look exactly like these, but it should look pretty similar. What you also need to notice is the front face, and it might be kind of hard to see. Let me pull that up for a second. See if you can see that. Okay, your front face is right here, okay, and you are always going to have a yellow piece, not on top on the corner, but in the front, okay, and that's the same for all of those. So, as you can see, I don't have a yellow there, don't have a yellow there, I don't have a yellow there, I do have a yellow here. So this is going to be my front face. This is the top that I'm working on, the yellow, and I'm looking at the front left having a yellow piece right there. So now that I have that in the correct place, this is my top, this is my front, this yellow is right here, I'm gonna go ahead and do this algorithm. So we're gonna go right, up, right invert, up, right, two up moves. Remember what we said, if you see the two cards, that's two moves, and then a right inverted back down. All right, now we are looking again and we're saying, which one of these cases do I have? Do you have one yellow corner, no yellow corners, or two yellow corners? Well, if you look now, I have 1, 2, 3 that are not yellow and only one that is yellow. So that means if you have one corner that's yellow, it should look like a fish, okay? Where you have this kind of like the head of the fish, okay? And then you got the two little fins down here. Okay, it looks kind of like a fish. So what that means is that this yellow corner I'm holding in the bottom left. So if it was anywhere else like this, you're just going to turn your cube until it's in the bottom left. And now we're going to do the algorithm again. Right, up, right invert, up, right, two up moves, 1, 2, and the right move back down. All right, looking again. Do you have one corner, no corners, or two corners that are yellow? I have 1, 2, 3 that are not yellow and one that is yellow. So I'm going to turn this until if you have one corner, it should look like the fish, and the head of the fish should be on the bottom left, and the other three corners that I don't have are going to be over there. We're going to go ahead and do this again. We are going to make a right move, okay, up, right invert, up, right, two up moves, 1, 2, and then the very last one is bringing that back down toward you. And look what we have here. Okay, again, it is not solved, but what we've done is we have created the top layer, which is the yellow layer. So we are finished with page 13 and orienting the corners, or getting our yellow corners all on top.